I really cannot understand like why my hair has to look like this today. It was cute. It looked cute in the mirror. And then right now it just looks like news anchor. No offense to news anchors. Y'all are bomb. Mary Jane Paul. Yeah, it's giving me Mary Jane Paul right now. I'm sorry, y'all.
She's royal, yeah. So royal, yeah. I want her in my life.
Morning. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's your girl Liz, aka Royalz Beauty. So I'm coming at you guys in the flesh. Literally no makeup and my hair's not done. Nothing's done. I'm trying to hurry up and get out the door actually to meet up with my cousin. It is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. If you're new to my channel, my name is Liz and I do a lot of fun stuff here on my channel, including wig reviews and makeup and product reviews. Today is going to be a product review. If you're one of my loyal Royal subscribers, welcome back. I'm so excited that you're back for another video, and I'm excited because it's something that I usually I'm a little shy about sharing, but I'm getting a lot better. I'm getting a lot more centered with revealing my flaws. And one of my flaws, it's kind of funny. It's funny because people always compliment me on this, but I'm really high key insecure about it. It is my smile, my teeth. I have been told for years that I have a beautiful smile. I smile a lot. I am a smiler. If you are ever around me, you'll find out really quickly. I smile like this. I can't help it. I'm just always smiling. So naturally people see your teeth when you smile, and people have always told me that I had really nice white teeth when I was younger and growing up. And then I started drinking coffee and red wine. So, and not taking as great care of my teeth as possible. I go to my dentist visits, but you could always go the extra mile with your teeth. I never really went the extra mile. I was oil pulling for some time, which is really great. And I've also been using active charcoal, which is also really great, but they weren't doing what I really wanted to do as far as whitening my teeth. So I was just, looking around for different whitening methods, and randomly, of course, I always get the randomest request, but out of nowhere, Smile Brilliant contacted me and asked me to review their kit, which is so dope. They sent me a whole kit for me to review and try out and whiten my teeth, and then tell you guys what I think, give you guys my honest opinion. So I really respect companies that do that. They don't pressure you. They kind of give you the product and let you really just tell your story and whether or not it worked for you. So thanks so much to Smile Brilliant. So I'm going to share with you guys the kit, but I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about my results so far. I'm really actually happy. I'm smiling. I'm really actually happy with the results so far. I've been whitening my teeth with them for the past month, to be honest. On and off because of my sensitivity. I have really sensitive everything. I'm just a sensitive person naturally, and not sensitive in the emotional sense. I mean physically, like I break out off of specific stuff, specific brushes, lotions. Been like that since I was a kid. Once it started happening, I realized I'm gonna have to take breaks in between, and I did contact them and let them know that. And it does say that this is something that's normal. You're gonna get sensitivity, so I definitely had to take my time in between doing the whitening, just to give myself a little bit of ease and not to overdo it and be in pain, because it wasn't pain, it's just uncomfortable. I didn't want it to become pain. Really, it's been realistically a month. So I want to say on and off every couple of days I was taking a break. But it's been a month now using Smile Brilliant officially, fully, that whole month, and I really am pleased with my results. I will have pictures obviously in the thumbnail, and I will have pictures in the end so that you can see my results. Somewhere here I'll be able to show you the before and after. So I'm going to show you guys the kit that they sent me. It was really a nice box, and it was really nicely packaged, and now it looks crazy and all over the place. So they sent me this box here. You open it up and you get all of these goodies inside. So on the inside you'll find instructions. You're also going to find the dental impressions guideline. you're going to find some of the syringes. So you'll have like the teeth whitening syringe. It actually comes with this box. So this is the actual teeth whitening gel. It also comes with a desensitizing gel. These are the syringes, so you can see what they both look like, what each looks like. And each of them you can apply at least 3 to 4 times with each syringe. You also get the whitening gel guideline, so the instructions are on here, and also the desensitizing guideline as well. So it walks you through the whole entire process. It even has it here where it shows you how to follow the 3 easy steps to whitening your teeth. But the first step really is for you to create your dental impression. And your impression is like a mold of your teeth, of your grill. So I had to use these 2. It comes with these 2 in here. They send you a bunch of these, well, a couple of them, so that if you make a mistake, you can redo it. They send you enough to make 2 molds, one for the top and one for the bottom. 2 of these together, put together, okay, all right. Okay, the 2 of these together, these are catalyst paste. And this one is blue. The blue material is the base paste. And the white material is the catalyst paste. Okay, and you have to mix these 2 together, and they're like Play-Doh almost, but you have to like putty. You have to mix them together, mold them together, and then create your mold. But you have to work really fast. It says it in the guideline. You have to actually work really fast to create that mold, and then you're going to use one of these plates here. You're going to put the plate, you put the mold in here, your putty, your catalyst paste mixture. You're going to put it right in here, and it's just like Play-Doh. And then you put it into your grill, either the top or the bottom, whichever. You get 2 of them, and it guides you to, it tells you how to create your imprint. You don't want to press down. I know you don't want to drag. That's one of the major things that I kept messing up on. So it is kind of like you want to pay attention to the guidelines so that you get it done right the first time, because when you send it to the lab, what's going to happen is if it's not correct, they're going to end up sending it back, so that, well, not sending it back, but they're going to let you know that you have to do it again. But they did send me more so that I can go ahead and create a mold a second time to try it again. I know they bared with me because I was like all over, like, why am I not getting this right? And then you send your impression to the lab. They give you a packet like this, and I cannot find the card right now. I don't know where that card is, but they send you a packet like this, and they send you a card inside of it. This is a very important step. You want to make sure that you fill out all of the information that they ask you for on the card and send it with your impressions. You keep the putty in here, so you're going to keep it in here, and then you send it to them, and then they create your impression. You will get the little gel, your actual mold. Once I got my mold right and I sent it to the lab, they created my tray. They sent me my tray, which is upstairs right now. I used it last night. The tray looks like that. So you basically have a nice clear tray. It comes in a little case. They give you a little case. It's really nice. It says Smile Brilliant on it. They're like rubbery, and they literally just go over your teeth. Now, they did really, really good with giving you instructions all over the box, in the box, on these boxes. You basically put a line of the teeth whitening gel in the front of the, whichever one, you're going to do top or bottom, but you're going to take one of your trays, your teeth whitening trays, and you're going to basically pour, not pour, but push just a line. You just want a line, not too much, a line of the gel in the front. I'll try to show you guys a demo, but I definitely wanted to give my opinion first, and then if you guys want me to do a demo, I can. Nighttime was best because it does advise that you don't reintroduce stains after you whiten. So I had to do this at night. As soon as I put my kids to bed and I go to wash my face and everything, brush my teeth, floss without toothpaste. So you don't want to do it with any toothpaste. You just want to brush your teeth with plain water and a toothbrush. Do the whitening into the tray, put it onto your teeth, and then time yourself. So you can do it anywhere from 45 minutes to 3 hours. 45 minutes to 3 hours, depending on the sensitivity level and how you know, if it affects you and you're sensitive and you're hurting and you want to take it out, take it out. But if you just want to do the 45 because you don't have that much time or patience, then you can just do the 45. So I was doing it for at least an hour before feeling any sensitivity, and then I would take it off. Can't do too much more. And it was just up in this area that I was feeling it, nowhere else, just up in here. And honestly, I was already having sensitivity in that area anyway. So I kind of feel like I knew that was going to happen with that specific area, but nowhere else did I have any issues at all. And the sensitivity that I'm talking about is like a not a toothache, but like kind of like a bothersome, achy feeling. If you've ever had some cold ice cream or something, you bit into it and your tooth hurt right there, it feels like that. So it's no stinging or burning or stabbing, numbing, like nothing like that. It's just uncomfortable. It kind of gets you out of nowhere. You're like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Like that kind of feeling. So that's why they do have a desensitizing gel. They know this is going to happen. So after you whiten, you do the same exact thing on your tray. You don't have to do it as long. What you do is rinse out your trays, and then you go ahead, put the desensitizing gel in, and you do that for about 15 to 20 minutes just to help with the desensitizing, to help with the sensitivity. But yeah, I did that every night for about 2 weeks straight, and then I started feeling like, okay, it's whitening, it's getting really good, but it was hard for me with the sensitivity. Then we went on vacation, so that stopped for that whole week. I wasn't able to because I was out. So I fell off for that week, came back, and then jumped right back on it. So I don't know if you guys can see from there, but I really like the product so far. I love how it has whitened up my teeth. Right, so now that you stuck through the whole video, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how to enter into this giveaway. Make sure you check down in the description box. I have a link for you guys. Smile Brilliant gave me one lucky winner to win. Well, not one lucky winner. Smile Brilliant is gonna give one of my lucky subscribers a box of this teeth whitening kit so that you guys can try it out. So that once you have subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell, you click on the link in the description, and then you're supposed to enter your name and your email, and that's it. Smile Brilliant will handle everything from here, including sending out the winner's package to them. So if you do win, make sure you let me know because I'm excited to find out who won. We reached the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Share this video with anybody that you feel might like it and enjoy a teeth whitening experience. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay royal.